Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make tomato egg, as requested by my wife. She likes this dish a lot. So I have 3 eggs here. I'm using a free-range chicken. You can use any egg that you have. 1 piece of tomatoes, chunks, cut into chunks, and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. So I'm going to show you how you can make your tomato egg to become very, very tender. So first of all, we are going to break the egg. Look at the egg yolk. Beautiful orangey color. And it has beautiful shape. That's a sign telling you this egg is very fresh. Oops, this is not as good, but still okay. It did not go spoiled. So next thing, we are going to give it a little bit of seasoning here. I'm going to put in a little bit of light soy sauce. Light soy sauce here is going to help to give the egg a little bit of color as well. Yeah, you could put in a little bit of salt as well. Just a bit of salt. Right, to make the egg a little bit more tender, I'm going to add a bit of milk. Yeah, I stole some milk from my daughters. Appa doesn't drink milk at all, so I have to steal a bit from my daughter. And we can actually give it a bit of white pepper to remove the gaminess of the egg, if any. So we're going to start by sauteing the egg, yeah? Give a little bit of oil here. The oil doesn't have to be very hot. You can already put in the egg. Because we're trying to make some tender egg, tender omelette right here. So keep on stirring. And you will start seeing it started to get cooked. Alright, now it's like 30% cooked. It is very, very tender right now. Now it's like 60% cooked. Alright, now it's like 70% cooked. I can actually remove it from the wok and set it aside. Right, so here's the very tender egg. Set it aside. So we still have some egg residue. Don't worry about it. It gives you extra flavor. I'm going to give it a little bit of oil here. And you are going to saute the tomato together with the tomato sauce. Always saute tomato and your tomato sauce to really get the nice color out of it, yeah? So let's saute this for a minute or 2 before we continue. This is after about 1 minute sauteing. I'm going to add in some hot water here. Let's give it a little bit of light soy sauce. A bit of sugar. I'm going to let it boil a little bit, yeah? To create the natural starchiness. Right, this is less than 2 minutes. I'm going to put in the egg. Give it a few stir. And our very tender egg, tomato egg is ready. You can garnish it with some greens if you like. Done. So here's my very tender tomato egg and give it some greens on top. Alright, done. Here's how simple it is to make a tomato egg at home. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.